welcome to my apartment tour. So basically my apartment is very small. Here is the bedroom, and first we're in a little small hallway, and then here is the kitchen, and here is me and the bathroom. First I want to show you the kitchen. It has big windows, so it is very spacey and the light is coming in pretty nicely. Basically, as you can see, on one part here is the table. I cleaned a bit for you, and of course that apartment is nice and clean, but also I just wanted to show you the real deal of how it usually is. For example, here I'm not exactly using my machine because I don't need it, because I wash all of my clothes back at home. But then again, this is more of a storage kind of thing. Here it is, this box again with cookies, and then I have some tote bags here that are useful for the shopping, and I also have my bags here. Here's the view. It's not the prettiest, and the dirt of the window is actually on the other side, and it's kind of hard to clean it. That's why it is like that. And before, this wall was not even here, so I had a beautiful view of the cathedral, but this is not like that anymore. Then here I have a fridge and also a freezer, and then here is my most favorite corner out of all of it. It is where I keep my plain items. For example, I got this beautiful cup today at the flea market, and it was so cheap, and also this beautiful thing and a beautiful teapot. I have a stove, nothing special. It's where I keep my oil, then a little sink, and I also have a microwave, and here I have some more mugs, some stickers, and a chocolate bar. Then on top of this, the shelves are not exactly quite full because I cannot even reach this part that much. For example, this is something that I should throw away, but it's just here. And those are basically all of my Christmassy kind of mugs that I keep here. And then we have my Marie cup, some cookies, a cup that is very meaningful to me. Those cats are basically salt and pepper, and my boyfriend got them for me when I first moved in other apartment, but it was my first apartment ever. Here is also a Christmas mug, which is my favorite one. Then I have a little souvenir from Rome, and those two cups, my first ever Starbucks at Vienna. Moving on, we have more like food, ingredients, and we also have some teas, for example chamomile tea and other herbal teas, and that is basically it for the top shelf. The drawers are pretty simple. For example, this is where I keep my kitchen stool, and this is where I keep the pasta and also other ingredients. I will not show you everything right now. And here is where I keep my dishes and the other kitchen tools, as you can see. Here is a trash can and also a bit of washing products that's not interesting. And here I just keep my oven stuff and also my toaster and all of the other stuff. I really like my kitchen, and I think it is very pretty and it is comfortable to eat here and also to cook here. Then we're moving back here in a little small hallway, and we're going to the bathroom. The bathroom is the smallest here. As you can see, it is really small, but it is very cool for me. Here I have a little shower, and along with the shower, here are some products that I'm using that are handy to keep here. And then on the other side, we have a mirror and also the products that I'm using that are actually for the face. You can see my whole routine basically right now. Of course, the toilet, that's not that special. And here is a little drawer that also contains all my toiletry and skincare and products such as that. For example, here I keep my makeup. It is minimal, but here is the place that I'm keeping it. And then from the bathroom, we're going to my most favorite room out of all. It is the biggest one, and it is the bedroom. When you come inside, first on the left side, I have a little shelf that is for the shoes, and every single drawer here is basically full. And then here are basically some stairs, but they don't lead to anywhere. This is actually another apartment upstairs, but I guess the landlord just decided to keep the stairs here. I think that the stairs would be amazing, like bookshelves, and then you would have books all over up. But then again, I am not keeping this apartment that long, so I am not exactly investing much, but I'm having stuff very simple. Behind this, I'm just keeping some boxes here that I don't have for now anywhere to put. And I also keep my suitcase and also my travel bag. And from this little corner, we have my closet, and it's not that organized now. I'm kind of ashamed, but as I said, I wanted to show it realistically. And then moving on, we have my bed here and also a little shelf. On top of it, I'm just keeping some mirrors here, hand cream, and also like a body lotion. On the second drawer, I just keep my jewelry here, also some like cosmetic products, and I'm also keeping some kind of medication. And then here, I as you can see, am keeping some makeup here, a little hair comb, and also some baby wipes and stuff like that. And here is my bed. I really like this bedding. I just put some books that I'm currently reading and my beautiful little plushie. Along with the bed, I actually have a chair and a laptop, because when I watch something, it is usually from this place. So basically my chair is not that much of a chair, but it is like where I put my laptop. And then I also have some cables so that they are close to my bed. Then on the other side of the bed, here is my table, aka the place where I do all of the work and where I film my videos. So let's break it down into sections. First, on this side, here is a lamp, and those are actually all of my books here. And I added a little postcard that is reminding me of spring, which is coming. And I also have this spring kind of element. Then I have some items here, like this is actually a makeup bag, but I'm using it as a stationery bag. I have some bookmarks. I usually keep my iPad and pencil here. And then on this part, I have my stationery, as you can see, washi tapes, letter stamps, stuff like that. And then this place, this little corner of the table, is basically the one where I'm filming. As you can see, I already have some props here. And then here inside are more stationery. And as you know, this is my infamous like washi tape kind of collection. Then here I just have some pens that I use a lot, a little bit of decoration. I really like deer, so deer are here very often, you will see. And this is it from the top of the table. Then the drawers are pretty messy. I'm keeping my college stuff here, so that is horrible. But on the other side, I'm keeping mostly a lot of stuff like cables and I don't know, stuff like that, tapes. But I also keep my products and basically what I'm selling. It's like a little Etsy shop kind of drawer, where I basically keep all of my stickers and planners here and stuff like that. I basically showed you my room tour before, but I didn't exactly show all of the apartment. And you saw this corner before when I was cleaning it, and now you can basically see the whole thing, how it is. It is not beautified or cleaned whatsoever, but I think that I'm generally keeping it quite clean. Here is my little bow that I decided to have it for now as a decoration. Here are basically more like Christmassy kind of stuff, but still, you saw this mug in previous videos maybe. And then here are some notebooks that I think that are pretty, and they have to be here, that I see them a lot. And then here I have this Alice in Wonderland book that I have to read for the new video. Some washi tapes, also more stationery here, this little David kind of guy, I'm calling him David. And then here, of course, some more stationery and a little bunny since it's Easter. And then on the other shelf, this is basically some kind of candy stash, so there is that. And I also have some cables that are important, some stationery that I don't exactly use that much, but I'm stashing it here anyways. And then the last kind of drawer is very messy too. Those are my college books and notebooks. Then I have masks and what's not even here, I don't know. And then some batteries and basically stuff that I don't exactly know where to put, so that they are there. And then from this little corner, we basically have a window, and it is a very beautiful window because it is viewing on the street. And the windows here are in my apartment are pretty big. As you can see, this is all a window, so that I have a lot of space and everything is very bright. Oh, I didn't show you the photo. I mean the painting that is on top of the bed.